Hello everyone, my name is Hunter, and today we are going to be doing something stupid, like always. This device right here, it's a Simon optix, I think that's what you call it, Simon optix, I don't know exactly how to say it, and it's broken. When I was younger, I had the genius idea to open this thing up and to see how it worked. In the process of opening it up, I broke one of the cables that are required for this thing to work. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be using this soldering kit that I just got for my birthday to try and fix it. Look at all of these beautiful tools. Actually, let's go ahead and get this thing set up. Okay, so what is this? Oh! That's what that is. Okay, that's like a box cutter. Forgot what this stuff is called. Like you heat it up. Like I forgot what this stuff is called. You heat it up and it will freeze it or no, shrink it. We have dried up SpongeBob. Oh, more goodies, more screws for me to use. What fun! This doesn't sound like no ordinary pen. What is in here? Oh! So we have a screwdriver. This is basically just a big screwdriver. I honestly was not expecting it to come with this much stuff. It is. Whoa, whoa, ah! I dropped something. Okay. Oh! Hold up. This would be useful. Hold up the soldering iron. Okay. I'm gonna try to get the soldering iron set up. Set you over there for now. It's not even shutting. Okay, so how exactly? Oh, I see it. There's like a little thing here that you take off. No idea what that part's all about. Can I just put it in like this? Is there like a wrench? These people did not give me long enough of a cord because it's about to fall off. I let go of it. It starts falling. Oh, it's starting to smell like something's burning. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart the Simon optix. Another thing that I got, if I can grab it, is this this thing. I'm gonna use it to hold my screws so they don't go everywhere. Last screw. There we go, and that's it. Okay. Now let's remove this side. Oh, I found the cable. There's our broken cable right here. So what I'm thinking is we like shave off part of this. There we go. Okay. So now we have this copper part. Time for the soldering iron, baby. Holy sh**! That got hot real quick. Does this melt the solder? Oh, it's burning something. Oh. Oh, it's burning the plastic. I don't think I should be inhaling that. I'm gonna look up how to properly do it. Okay. I cranked that thing up to 300 Celsius. I think that's what I said. It's turned on, right? Oh, it's not even turned on. Alright, I'm going to try to melt some solder onto that. Oh, I did it! I did it for a second. Hold on. Yes, I had it for a second. I saw it moving. Who's blowing up my phone this time? The frickin' weather app? I actually got it. That's actually kind of cool. Oh my god, if that was the weather app, I'm going to lose online. It's just telling me I have work at 3 today. So I got to melt this again. The fan just fell and it scared the ever-living crap out of me. We got it. We actually did it. We got the original cable off. What I'm thinking that we do is we take this and we put one of these plastic shrinks around it, and then we put it back on there. I have no idea how I'm going to cut this. This is super sharp. And I was able to cut it. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it should be a good... Yeah, it looks like it should be good in the mount. Go ahead and shave off the sides. Okay. Alright, they're in there. Now what I'm just guessing I'm going to have to do is get one of these. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I'm gonna go grab some of that. I'm gonna go grab like a hair dryer or something. Now I just gotta... Oh shoot. I don't think that shrunk. It started burning my hands. There's gotta be a better way to do this. Okay, now it smells like something's burning, so you know what? I'm done with that. Let me go get some fresh air real quick. Oh my god. It stinks. It stinks. Okay, it seems to be more secure in there now. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and reapply, put some solder on it. I want to say that's good. There's only one way to find out. That is to try to put the batteries in and see. Oh, I did it! I did it! I fixed it! Holy crap, please tell me that was still rolling. Oh my god, oh my god. And only 20 seconds to spare. Yo! I fixed it! I actually fixed it! No, play that again, play it again, play it again. I actually fixed it! I was not expecting to fix that. Well then, let's go ahead and get this thing put back together. Oh, got it. Finally. Yes! Okay, we are pretty much good now. Okay, so we got it fixed. It still works. It's kind of loud. Is there volume? Can I tighten it? Alright. Oh, God, jeez. Alright. And then... Oh, that's... Does it work? Alright. It's so finicky. Bro, this shit's easy, bro. This is so easy. What the hell? Oh. What? Excuse, what was that? What? I think this thing might be cooked. Oh my god. What do we got? Ooh, another light came on. Alright, we're done with that. Okay, well I can't put it back on the table. The table's a mess. Thank you guys for watching this video where I fix this Simon Optix toy. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Because I don't know why. Just subscribe. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.